everyone, and welcome to Boss Advisory. Today we're going to learn about 8 strategies to make passive income with your computer. You've come to the right side if you want to learn how to use only your computer to generate passive income each month. I'm going to go over 8 ways in this video that you may utilize to do this. There are 3 different types of passive income strategies. Strategies that create 100% passive income with no work are included in the first category. These include things like selling unused processing power, bandwidth, and additional internet access. Also, automatic surfing. I am aware that you might not be familiar with all of these phrases. That's okay. We will go through each of these in more depth later. The second group includes tactics that will provide passive income but demand some initial small work. These includes using online platforms to rent out items you already possess and using websites like Merch by Amazon to generate passive money from designs and catchphrases. The third group of tactics you provide has the potential to generate significant passive income, such as thousands of dollars per month or more. But doing that requires a lot of work upfront. Blogs, YouTube channels, and ebooks are examples of these. These digital assets, once produced, have the potential to generate an impressive stream of passive income for many years. But once more, you must work hard to get others to accomplish it for you. Category number 1. Completely passive revenue that requires no work. Number 1. Sell any spare internet bandwidth. If you have limitless bandwidth, you can actually sell the space that is not being used to generate a little more income. Simply register with some of the web businesses that will purchase your extra bandwidth. The market leaders in this area are Honeygain and PacketStream. Number 2. Autosurfing. Autosurfing is the practice of visiting numerous websites on a regular basis by setting up a program on your browser. Many web businesses are desperate for traffic and are willing to pay for it. By allowing the autosurfer to visit these websites from your browser after installing an auto program, you will earn a little sum of money. This won't bring in a lot of money for you. Additionally, the Securities and Exchange Commission has previously looked into at least one sizable auto-surfing company. I therefore advise using moderate caution. I would be extra cautious if the auto-surfing company requests that you pay a membership fee or any other kind of fees. Number 3. Sell your spare computing power. Similarly, there are websites where you may market your unused internet bandwidth. There are systems that will pay for your additional computing capacity. Therefore, you may make some passive revenue by just connecting computers to platforms. Check out Crytex and LoadTeam. If you have PCs with adequate processing power and don't mind selling the juice. The passive income tactics in this first category don't create a lot of money, so keep that in mind if you're interested in learning more. They'll consume electricity as well. To determine whether they are worthwhile, you might want to try them out. Category number 2. Minimal upfront effort but respectable passive income. Number 4. Rent out the items you already have. Renting out items online is a simple way to earn money if you have a computer. Extra storage space in your home is one of my favorite things to rent out and something that practically everyone has. That's accurate. You may even rent out your spare closets on websites like neighbor.com. You can also hire out other things such as your automobile, musical equipment, air pool, backyard, and a lot more. Number 5. Create designs and sell products using Amazon's retail platform. If you're artistic, you can use Merch by Amazon to create designs on your computer and sell them online. It should be understood that you are not truly selling the designs. You are selling the goods while employing the designs on t-shirts, mugs, and other items. A portion of every product sold that features your design is paid to you. This is passive because Amazon handles the rest after you supply the design. After applying the design, they will package the product and send it to the client. In other words, they take care of production, shipping, and customer service after you supply the artwork. All of this is free to you. Pretty amazing. Third category. Requires a lot of initial work but has a great potential for passive revenue. Number 6. Blogging. In my opinion, it can be a great way to use your computer to generate passive income. Getting your blog up and going will take some time and work, but after your posts are created and drawing traffic, all you need to do is add some display and advertising to your website. After that, you'll begin earning passive money. Number 7. Launch a YouTube channel. Instead of writing, you can create a YouTube channel if you enjoy making videos. You'll begin to generate passive money through ad revenue, just like with blogging. Once your channel is receiving enough traffic, keep in mind that YouTube needs at least 4,000 view hours and 1,000 subscribers before you can start earning money from commercials. Therefore, you will need to produce a good amount of high-quality videos and wait for them to gain popularity. However, once they are visible and your ads are running, you will consistently make money with these commercials. It's challenging to get going and drive traffic, but if you can do it, you can make a ton of money. Number 8. If you enjoy writing but don't enjoy blogging, write and sell ebooks. You can create an ebook on your PC. Once it is written, you can sell it online and earn royalties. A fantastic location to do this is Amazon KDP, which stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. There you have it, 8 fantastic methods to use your computer to generate passive income. Today, we really aim to become millionaires ourselves. So here's one of the millennial ways that allows you to make profitable money online right from the comfort of your home, and as a matter of fact, you can take it with you anywhere you go. If that interests you, make sure to click the first link down below to find out. Thank you so much you guys for watching Boss Advisory, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and hit the bell so you get notified on every new incredible content we make for you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one.